name is Lorena Garcia Fernandez and I work for Cummins Turbo Technologies as a system integration engineer. I started my journey with Cummins as a graduate engineer. So during that period I worked in several different departments. That gave me a great overview of what the company does, gave me the opportunity to work cross-functionally and globally with different teams. So that was a really good experience. And I also got to do quite detailed technical work, developing different models for different aerodynamic variables, and also working on joint calculations that were quite new or we hadn't developed tools for at the time. So that was a really exciting period, and also doing very technical and exciting work. I was very excited about joining Cummins when I learned about their diversity culture and the focus that they put on people from different backgrounds working together to get the best results. So that really drew me towards working in the company, and I've really seen that from day one. After my graduate scheme, I had the opportunity to work in a customer tailoring project where my main role was to make sure we understood customer requirements and then translate those into technical specifications that the product needed to deliver to meet the customer needs. Part of the development work that I did in that project was improving our analysis and metrics for thermomechanical fatigue for turbine housings, and also validating the product for very specific application running condition outside of our standard limits. So it was a very exciting project and very rewarding from an engineering point of view. As I gain more experience and work in different platform development projects or new product development, I got given the opportunity to lead my own project, which is what I'm working on currently. And the scope of this project is to enhance current product capability. This is a really rewarding project because I work in a very global team. Our application engineering team is based in China, our design team is based in India. We've got some of the technical experts and myself here in the UK. So it's a really diverse and global project in order to be able to enhance our product capability and take that to the next level. So this project is very broad as well. So from the concept design of what new features and new components we're going to develop, then we need to take this and use our analytical tools to verify that the specifications that we want to meet are achievable. And then take that to the next step, manufacture hardware and make sure that we validate the performance and reliability of the product that we're looking for. So it's a very encompassing project of working with global teams, understanding your market requirements, and marry the two to develop the best product. Diversity is one of the things that I find more interesting and more important about working in teams, and it's something that Cummins considers top priority really, and they put a lot of focus on. So I've really experienced this since I started working in the company, and it's something that has proved to be very helpful. We're working in a technical project. My current project, for example, where we've got such a diverse team of engineers with different backgrounds from different countries. In several occasions we found that that diversity has helped us solve the problems in a more effective manner or quicker than we initially anticipated. So that's something that is of great value for us as engineers. There's also other activities that I've got involved since I've worked in Cummins. Supporting diversity, we have different affinity groups, we have our diversity council, and specifically I feel quite close to the Technical Women Engineering Initiative, where we're trying to encourage more women to undertake technical careers, and also support women that already are there to enhance their capabilities and develop those careers further. So all in all, it's a really key value of the company, and that I've experienced in a very positive way since I've been here. I've really enjoyed all of my roles so far. Enjoy my current role a lot. It's really exciting. It's all about solving problems, so it keeps it really interesting. Not two days are ever the same, and the working environment in Cummins is really inclusive, and you feel really comfortable presenting innovative ideas, discussing technical matter with colleagues. So all in all, it's a great place to work, so I would highly recommend it.